Hello! This week we have Howl's Moving Castle. This is a 3D print by the designer Magnet that was available on Thingiverse. Basically, we took the original design here and I modified it so that it is actually a custom engagement ring box. So it was all 3D printed and then hand painted by myself. And then the part that we altered here was the bottom part of the jaw, which is removable and opens up. So we can go ahead and open that up. And inside, you can see that there is a little calcifer kind of hiding inside of it, and he is holding the ring. So if we grab it, he's held in place by a magnet on a little slide. So we can kind of open him up and pull him out, and he's on a little slide there. The ring sits inside of his hands, so we can grasp the ring like so to make it look like he's holding onto it for dear life there. And if we turn the switch off, you can actually see what calcifer looks like there inside. And he is lit by an LED that is attached to the battery pack there and is held in place by a magnet. So there we have the calcifer holding the engagement ring inside of Howl's Moving Castle, custom engagement ring box. Designed, the Howl's Moving Castle, again, designed by Magnet over at Thingiverse, but it was printed and painted and then modified by myself, Pape Designs. If this is something that you'd like to see, you can subscribe below for more videos like this, or you can watch me make this stuff live over at twitch.tv/Pape Designs. Remember to work smarter, not harder, and we'll see you next time.